peanuts, roasted peanuts. Let's first powder it. Dry, don't add water. See, I haven't added water. Now we can add water. I'm adding water to it. Let's make it into smooth paste. See, it's like this. Now let's add salt. Chili powder according to your spice level. And soy sauce. I'm adding five to 6 tablespoons. You can add the soy sauce. Mix it nicely. See, the sauce is ready. Now we have to dice the tofu into really tiny cubes. I have taken the soft tofu. Again, you can use firm or extra firm, whichever you like. See, I have made it into small cubes. I have heated the pan and poured oil. The oil is hot. Now let's add the tofu. Keep it in high flame. Now let's add the sauce to it. Keep it in high flame and saute it. See, the sauce is all thickened and even the tofu is also cooked. Now let's wash the lettuce. Try to take bigger leaves like this. See, take bigger leaves like this. This is going to be the wrap. Take one leaf like this and you can stuff the tofu. See? Let me taste it. It's so yummy. Bye.